Hello and welcome to the Effortless Trading channel, where I will share with you the knowledge and experience to make your investing and trading as easy as eating a piece of cake. Today's topic will be how to make sustainable profits effortlessly in Bitcoin trading. But first I need to tell you a bitter fact. Let me be frank, up till now if you are still losing money on the Bitcoin market, it is all because of you. In this game you do not fight with anyone other than yourself. Not the market, not your neighbor, not your obnoxious coworker at work. You hold the money, you analyze, you decide when to buy and sell. If you lose, it is definitely your decision and only you. Mistakes such as changing trading strategies too often, not setting stop loss, keeping when losing money, are only made by one person. It is only you. It is these bad habits of yours that make you lose money in the market. But here's the good news. This is completely fixable. How? By separating you from the process as much as possible. First, step 1, make your buying and selling decisions purely technical and free of any subjective opinions. You can set up and use it by following the instructions below. Here I use the crossover signal between EMA 20 and EMA 200 in the H4 chart of Bitcoin. Note that this method only works for H4, D1 and W1 charts of Bitcoin. It won't work with any other chart. At this point you might be thinking how simple it is. Yes, it's that simple. Because basically no one knows the future or can predict the market. Well, but completing step 1 does not guarantee your victory. You must do the step 2 to make sure this happen. Step 2, make you never able to access your funds when you decide to buy or sell without a signal happening according to your trading plan first, e.g. a crossover signal in step 2. How? By following the procedure below. Analysis, you simply follow the daily Bitcoin chart to spot a crossover. Requester, when an intersection occurs, you will capture the intersection and send it to your buddy to check and confirm. Checker, check if it is correct, then notify the approver and the funding person will send you money. Approve and funding person, which can be your wife, your mom, or the bank, will hold the transaction money for you and only issue money to you for trading when confirmed by the checker. Buy, you will be the one to place the buy order. After purchasing, you must transfer the proof to the checker immediately to check and correct your mistake as soon as possible. That is the buying process. What about the selling process after the purchase is done? Analysis, you and your best friend must follow the chart together daily to detect intersection. Request, as soon as the intersection occurs, your best friend will ask you to sell immediately at any price, take profit or stop loss. Sell, you sell and capture the evidence for your best friend to check and correct your mistake as soon as possible. After selling, you must transfer all the money to the funding person to keep the money for you. So complete the entire buying and selling process, which can be summarized as follows. It's super simple and 100% effective. If after 1 year of following 100% exactly of this process, and you still lose, please comment below. And if you can prove it, I will remove this video and remove this channel immediately. The success factor for this whole process is that you have to believe it and follow it for a minimum of 1 year. Please comment below if you still have questions. Some key notes on using this process. 1. This process will not work for Forex, future, or any one exchange or investment that uses leverage, margin. 2. The process only works when you use your own money for trading and investing, and do not borrow any money from anyone. 3. This process only works for H4, D1, W1 chart of Bitcoin. Except for these 3 charts, never work for other charts. For, this process is only effective if you use it consistently for 1 year. Don't miss any crossover. When crossover happens, you have to buy and sell with no other option. 5. The process is good when you decide to invest only with 50% of your money. That means if you have $10,000, you only invest and buy and sell with $5,000. The remaining $5,000, you can send it to the bank or be sure to send it to the funding person to keep it safe. And that's all you need to know to ensure sustainable profits with Bitcoin trading. I wish you success and don't forget to subscribe this channel.